How to make 5 teas to sleep better. Getting a good night's sleep every day is one of the habits that allow us to remain energetic and upbeat during our daily activities. And tea can help you sleep better at night. We may never notice, but when we sleep, our bodies carry out a series of tasks that are crucial to our physical and mental health. The problem is that we are used to getting less sleep, and for many different reasons it is hard for us to get adequate sleep and sleep better overall. Because of this, we feel more tired during the day, and we have concentration problems, fatigue, and other symptoms that can reduce our quality of life. Luckily, there are natural remedies that can help us sleep better and avoid insomnia when we drink them before bedtime. Here are 5 interesting teas. Give them a try. 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is one of the most common teas used to treat insomnia. Not only does it help you sleep better, but also its calming properties reduce anxiety and stress after long, hard days. It should be noted that, in addition to this, chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory and digestive properties that help reduce indigestion. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1/2 tablespoon of chamomile flowers, 5 grams. 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Directions: heat the water, and once it boils, add the chamomile flowers. Let the drink sit for 10 minutes, then strain it and sweeten it with a tablespoon of honey. How to use it. Take this chamomile tea 30 to 40 minutes before going to bed. 2. Passion flower tea. Passion flower is a medicinal plant with sedative properties that help control stress, depression, and other emotional imbalances that are often related to sleep disorders. It has anxiolytic, antispasmodic and analgesic properties, which are all useful for reducing physical and mental tension. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon of passion flower, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Directions: add a tablespoon of passion flower to a cup of boiling water, then cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes have passed, strain the tea with a colander and sweeten it with a tablespoon of honey. How to use it. Drink a cup of tea before going to bed. 3. Lime blossom tea. Lime blossom tea has been used as a treatment for insomnia for hundreds of years. It has anxiolytic and sedative properties that help control nerves and facilitate sleep. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon of lime blossom, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Directions: Boil a cup of water and add the lime blossom. Let the drink stand at room temperature, and when it is suitable for consumption, strain it. How to use it. Drink lime blossom tea 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed. 4. Lavender tea. Because of its delicious aroma, lavender flowers have been used in aromatherapy as a natural way to soothe nerves, anxiety, and insomnia. Both the plant and its essential oils have a positive effect on the nervous system, allowing those who do not normally sleep well to get a better night's sleep. Ingredients. ½ tablespoon of lavender flowers, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Directions. Add the lavender flowers to the cup of boiling water. Cover the drink and let it steep for 5 minutes. How to use it. Drink the tea before going to bed, and if you wish, inhale its vapors to enjoy its aromatic properties. 5. Valerian tea. Valerian is one of the most popular plants used to treat sleep problems, especially ones related to the nervous system. It contains sedative, anxiolytic, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help to relax your nerves and improve sleep quality after the body assimilates them. This tea should be taken at night, before going to sleep, since it causes sleepiness quickly. Ingredients. ½ tablespoon of valeriana, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Directions. Heat a cup of water. When it boils, add a ½ tablespoon of valeriana. Let the drink stand at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain it. How to use it. Drink this tea 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed. Having trouble falling asleep? Do you wake up in the middle of the night? If you haven't been able to sleep well recently, try one of the previously mentioned teas and gain control over this problem before it affects your health.